Hello, my name is Alejandro Junito Montero. I am 20 years old. I live in the Tobar Zambrano neighborhood in Florence, Caquetá. I am in the fifth semester of public accounting at the Uniminuto University. My favorite food are salad, rabbit, chicken rice, and lemonade. I like to play soccer 3 times a week. In my project, I am going to speak about a wonderful place called the Salado waterfall. Waterfall Salado is located in the rural zones Puerto Rico, north Caquetá. The waterfall is over 100 meters, and the top there is another smaller waterfall at the bottom. Visit or find several natural, polygate crystal, clear waters that allow you to enjoy go with the full experience the best natural environment. However, the Salado waterfall is located near the station of the Esmeralda. The train is by Artechari Road, 1 kilometer ahead of the farmhouse. Back you travel about a 3 kilometer, then you have to walk for about 30 minutes to the waterfall. In their go by motorcycle, they arrive at where they offer fundamentals, biker guide service to reach the waterfall from their places 20-50 minutes.